Now your team has worked for the entire sprint. What's the point if the team is not able to showcase its work to the external world? And that's the core idea of review session. Review sessions are designed in order to demonstrate whatever work the Scrum team has done during their sprint should be demonstrated to stakeholders. Let's look into the details of a review session. A review session is designed to inspect an increment and elicitate feedback from stakeholders, which means you build something as a team, that is your increment, and now it's time to demonstrate in front of the relevant stakeholders or in front of the client, and then get feedback. And you get this feedback every 3 weeks, every 4 weeks, based on your sprint duration. Eliciting feedback early and often is the core element of Scrum. Take another example. During my school days, I got to know that I'm not good at maths. And that helped me to improve for the next few years so that I can improve myself to a level where I could get into engineering. What if I would have known this much later? Then my desire to get into computer science engineering would not be possible. The same happens in product or solutions. A team build a product, but if the team doesn't get a feedback regularly, whether they are deviating, whether they are on the right track or not, they might end up building something that the customer or the stakeholder does not require. Review session also empowers the team through direct solicitation. It might happen that in a usual case, a developer might not get a chance to interact with big top level management or managing director. But through these or this ceremony of review, they are able to demonstrate their work on a regular basis at the end of every sprint. And this is great to boost their self confidence. They might feel proud as well because their work is being appreciated. They are getting feedback, and they also get a value that they are building something that the organization really care for. One more important aspect, especially for certification, is the time boxing. A review session should be maximum of 4 hours. In 4 hours, the team should be able to demonstrate what they have done. They are able to get feedback, and also if there is any deviation or any new features that need to be added for future sprints, that can also be accounted for. So in short, review session demonstrate teamwork, how they are able to build an increment in a given sprint. During this session, elicitation and having feedback is important. It helps team build their own confidence and feel them empowered, and it should be maximum of 4 hours. Now let's look at how a review session need to be held in practice and what are the key anti patterns.